Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a love read for you now. For the first one for the month of August, let's see what wants to show through for you today, Virgo, how you're feeling, how your person is feeling, and what action we can expect in this connection now. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Virgo, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Virgo, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Virgo newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person. And in the center, I'll have your mutual energies, your dialogue message cards, etc. For me, Virgo, this is going to be person A, this is going to be person B. If this is your story, you'll know which side you resonate best with, right? Okay. Virgo and their person. Bottom of my deck, I have the lovers, Virgo. Very strong connection, very, very strong connection. Both feel a very strong magnetic pull towards each other. But maybe there are some decisions to be made here which have not been made. So let's put this here. I'm going to take out two more cards. Action card for person A, action card for person B. And let's see what's going on here. Virgo, I think somebody here really wanted to push forward with this connection. There was a lot of love. The love is there on both sides. I have a Queen of Cups here and the Ace of Cups here as to how you guys are feeling towards each other. But maybe one person was still trying to keep some control in this connection, or they were unable to take action. The other person may have wanted to push forward, while the other person was not being able to push forward, or something like that. I'm going to clarify these cards, Virgo, but first let's start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then I'll start clarifying these cards. So Virgo and their person, spirit. Virgo and their person, if they could say something to each other now. Virgo and their person. Virgo and their person. Okay, we have enough here. Let's take a few more from here. And Virgo, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Virgo and their person. All right, good to go, Virgo. Let's start your reading. The first one here says, they keep saying you're coming back, but you're not here yet. Are you coming back? You have helped me discover my psychic gifts. Thank you. So maybe in all this time of waiting while they were not coming back, I think maybe one person has discovered their connection with spirituality or God. Why do you stay away when they treat you so badly? Why do you stay when they treat you so badly? I can't handle you not being in my life forever. For now, but not forever. It's hard to move on when I keep comparing you to everyone new that I meet. I loved you more than I loved myself. Then I realized I didn't love myself. Trying to gather up the courage to get in touch with you, to get in contact with you. I wish I could take back all the hurtful things I said to you. I was taught that I had to earn love by pleasing people. Or All right, so Virgo, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for this reading. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Virgo. Wise decision. Yeah, somebody needs to make a decision. No wonder our overall energy was having to make a decision. And Spirit is saying, yes, take your time and make wise decisions for your life now. Okay, so let's see what that wise decision should be. Let's go on with your reading and let's see what's going on here. So I'm going to start with the energies of person A now, Virgo. Then we'll go on to the other side. Person A has the 9 of Wands, Spirit. Why is that? What's this 9 of Wands? Why are they feeling this way? 9 of Wands for person A. They definitely want to fight for one more chance here, Virgo. They want a renewal. They want a rebirth. They don't want to lose out on the love that they have with person B, I think. This person really wants to fight for one more chance. They want a rebirth of this connection. They're feeling they don't want to lose this love. They see their person, I think, as the Queen of Cups, very loving, very kind, very intuitive, beautiful. Queen of Cups. Why is the Queen of Cups here in their feeling, Spirit? They do want to start again. They want to come forward with some kind of an offer, or let's start again, let's start from scratch. They're very regretful. Maybe they didn't take action or did or said something which they have a lot of regret for hurting this Queen of Cups. This person has had some kind of epiphany. They have been stuck for a very long time, or they may be stuck on this Queen of Cups, I don't know. But whoever person A is in this dynamic does want a rebirth. They are feeling like, I don't want to lose this beautiful love that I have with my person. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to be feeling this way? 5 of Wands. Was there a fight here, Virgo? Any competition? What happened here? 5 of Wands. There was some kind of a fight, some tower moment here happened here, Virgo. There could have been a conflict, fight. You guys may have stopped talking to each other. There was a bit of sadness here because this stable new beginning was not offered. So, what's this 9 of Pentacles, Spirit? 9 of Pentacles. 9 of Pentacles. Somebody was happy the way things were. Somebody was happy the way things were in their life. They were happy with their 9s, their 9 of Cups. I'm okay the way things are. I don't want things to change. Maybe they didn't offer, a cup of love, or they didn't accept a cup of love, or there was some dejection going on. Maybe somebody walked away. Maybe somebody walked away after this fight. Whatever fight this was, I don't know, but there was a tower moment. I can see that clearly. Some tower moment where you guys stopped communicating with each other. So how does person A now feel about this connection, Spirit? Chariot. I think they want to come forward. They want to fly towards person B. Why is the Chariot here, Spirit? Yes, this person A really does love person B. They are the King of Cups. They are an equal match to this Queen of Cups, but right now, as much as they want to come forward, they're a bit afraid of maybe showing their emotions, because they know they've kind of disrupted, they've brought some imbalance to this connection. They feel whatever fight happened, they are ready to take the blame. They feel, I'm the loser. I mean, this is like lots of love here. 5 of Swords in reverse. Why does this person feel this way, Spirit, about this connection? Yes, they feel they made a very unwise and a very foolish decision. Yes, they may have said or done something which is rash, or there may have been some words exchanged here which were not that pretty. Okay, Virgo, person A may have in a moment of anger said or done something which they now are realizing that was really foolish to do, and they feel, what was the point of doing all this? Now I feel like I lost Yes, they're feeling this lost. Okay, Virgo, they're feeling like totally devastated of whatever's happened between the two of you. So, what action person A will take, I'll open later. Virgo, let's go on to the other side and let's see how person B is feeling. Person B has the Emperor in reverse as their feeling. So they're feeling, yes, my person was very controlling. They were a false emperor. I'm not going to, they never fought for me. They never fought for me. They were trying to control everything. It was always their way or the highway. I always felt that, both of you are feeling the same way basically. Even person A is feeling that, they lied to me. They snuck away. And I feel like, this entire relationship has backfired on me. Instead of giving me love, which I feel so deep for them. But heart of hearts, I think person B also has a lot of love for person B. If you ask their soul, I don't think they want this change to happen. They don't want this ending to happen. They would love it if, person A would come and kind of heal their heart. What's this Ace of Cups, Spirit? As they're feeling, Ace of Cups. They just want person A to make a decision. See, again, Spirit said wise decision. Person B saying just make a decision. Why are you not making a decision? You make me feel always abandoned, left out in the cold. I love you, you love me. Just make a decision. Yes, there's too much of delay that's already happened in this connection. I want you to show me that you can make a decision so I know where I stand with you, right? So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? Page of Swords. They were waiting, I think. They were waiting, watching for their person to one day become that emperor upright and come and take, control, be that knight in shining armor and come and, say, hey, now we can be together or something. But person B just kept waiting for their person to come and be that emperor. Instead, what they found their person to do was really immature. They felt my person comes in, leaves, comes in, leaves. Of course, we have a great time when they are here, but they never kind of grow into that emperor to say, okay, this is my choice and my decision. This was going on for too long, like this in and out behavior or, just keeping things light and never really securing this connection. And person B just kept waiting and watching that one day, my Knight of Wands will become my Emperor. But I don't think that really happened. So this connection may have kind of come to a halt. What happened here, Spirit? Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Why did this connection come to a halt? Why did it come to a halt? Somebody made a foolish mistake. Somebody made some foolish mistake. This connection was, this is the connection. This is the Two of Cups. But either one person did not take that leap of faith to say, all right, I'm all in, and my cup and your cup and whatever. Somebody either did not take that leap of faith towards this soulmate connection, or made some unwise or foolish decision here, which kind of ended or stagnated this connection. So how does person B now feel about this connection, Spirit? Nine of Swords in reverse. Why do they feel like that about this connection, Spirit? Person B still hopes that, can we just finish this fight? I don't like to be alone and crying and stressing out. I just want this period of my life to be over. I can't spend any more days or nights stressing out, or just come and tell me the truth. That's all I want. All I want is happiness with you. The Sun card. They don't want to hold back. They don't want their person to hold back. They just want them to make an effing decision. Choose one. Choose me. Choose us. Do something, because I'm so happy with you. You make me happy. We are happy together. Don't just stay here always in two minds. Just make a decision. Make a choice. Make a decision. So, person A, any action from your end? Will you make a decision? Oh my God, Four of Wands. Why is that a decision? I mean, thank God it is, but let's have a clarification on that. Four of Wands. Four of Wands. Four of Wands. Four of Wands. They're scared. What is this person scared of? They want this Four of Wands with person B unless they're in a commitment somewhere else already. They feel people may talk about it, or they'll be, they won't be looked at in a good light if they make this choice. This person is very burdened, very afraid, very burdened. They are still kind of in that two-way street. They're still in limbo, still deciding how to do this. But are you going to take action, person A? You can't stand here at crossroads for the rest of your life. Will you take any action? One more. They want to break free. They want to break free, but they are not being able to manifest it right now. There is too many people around them. Maybe there's gossip going around them. They're not being able to manifest releasing something so that they can move forward. Somewhere something is blocked, where maybe gossip or people around them talking, or they're unable to have this brand new beginning and release this old thing, because this is also in reverse. Person B, will you take any action? Five of Cups. I'm so sorry for you. Why is that an action? Person B is, listen, this is just for this week, okay? So don't get disappointed or anything like that. Person A does love person B very much. They are very overwhelmed. They are stressing out. They do want to come forward and offer. It's just that this week, person B may be feeling a lot of sadness. Maybe feeling a lot of sadness that the person still hasn't made their decision. They're still very ungrounded, still not, being that perfect spouse who comes and takes charge and whatever. So, one more, Spirit, for the Five of Cups. Yeah, this offer still hasn't come in. They want to give it. They do want to give it, Virgo. If you're on my right, please know they want to give this offer. It hasn't come yet because they're still struggling with their own decisions, their own choices, but in their heart space, in their ideal world, they would release whatever they are stuck to right now and come towards you. Okay? It's just taking some time, but they do want a reunion. They're just stuck somehow. So, anything else for Virgo, Spirit? Anything else for Virgo? Maybe they have to get rid of some other commitment. And the longer they're taking, it's making the feminine energy here, I think, more and more angry that this commitment is not coming. So it's just another... That's all I have for you, Virgo. I'm sorry. I wish that I had some... You guys have to make the choice. I can't make it for you. All right. So till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.